We start the symposium. Energy should be as good as sun. Sun's energy never goes down, universal energy. So our enthusiasm cannot be going down anytime. That is the challenge of the future. So I will call again, Namaskar, and you should say, not now, I will say first. And then all of you should say from the top of your voice. And first time right. Because if you don't do first time right, you are off the radar screen. And Arjot will measure you at the end whether he listened to you or not. And unless he listens, we will keep on saying Namaskar. Because the first time right, we are not right. So Harjot, go outside, listen. Without measurement, you cannot perform. Simply that. So ladies and gentlemen, be ready. Let me be ready. Namaskar. I think he has now heard here, all right. I think this is a historic event. The first historic event was 2005. Of course, 27 years, every event is historic. But I would say particularly this, because we have representation from all over the continents. And they are the legions, they have the tremendous amount of knowledge, experience, which they will share. So with this, let me start with my opening remark and my invited address. I'm mixing the two, and I will take about 18 to 20 minutes for these two activities. So let me start with this. The WPMF Charter, you have a copy in your handouts, but I have picked up 3 or 4 very important ones, which sets up the tone for the first WPMF. It's a historical event from that perspective. It's the initiation foundation of making the globe united on a different level. And I just read this. Vision realization should balance economic, social, and ecological considerations. The finer aspects of vision realization must be integrative in meeting demands of the present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. We cannot be selfish and greedy to destroy the planet Earth, and we will not survive. If everything we destroy now, there is no future. So this has been, there have been 140 people, and I'm going to acknowledge 5 or 6 who have been working in forming the WPMF Charter, and I think this is a very interesting part. The second thing which I would say, front end or macro aspects of project management, i.e. project creation, is the master key for success of vision realization. So when you create a vision, the vision can be implemented through only projects. Project is our mindset, is a DNA of everybody. Plan and execute. It's built into our mind. Formally when we say this, it becomes project management. But it's our DNA is plan and execute for survival. So the project creation being the first phase of the vision realization is the master key for success of that vision realization. The phase of project creation has a major impact on achieving both tangible and intangible benefits as initially visualized. Now, today's dynamic, unpredictable, and disruptive volatile VUCA, now in CR professor, has added up 2 more Ds, D in the beginning and D at the end. Disruptive, and the other D is diverse. So if you see this, VUCA got 2 more Ds. We are adding up more. What requires global understanding and convergence of the cyberspace, physical space, and biospace, given the context of the 4th industrial revolution in thinking amongst stakeholders. Ultimately, stakeholders, they are the masters. And one more item I picked up from the charter is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, 1,000 years old, saying, far ahead of time, when we say Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the whole world is a family, is a reality today. In an increasingly global, interconnected world with multicultural complexities which can be leveraged. So I would say with these charters, I'd like to now acknowledge, some of them are not present here, but these are the people who have shaped the profession